Almost done. You can hear the brewing of the coffee. Finish my milk. And then I can get a coffee. So I don't have an infection or nothing like that. The sickness is pretty much gone. So that's a good thing. I had it for like 2 weeks. So it was a bad one. But whatever. The body, the immune system, if you don't mess it up, it's strong, stays strong. I'm a 60-year-old man, but I still have a strong immune system, and I can fight off stuff. And if you fight it off naturally without taking drugs and crap like that, I don't get no shots or flu shot or any of that. And every year it's there, advertised, get the flu shot, protect yourself from the flu. Well, no, God protects me with the immune system he gave me. All right, let's have a coffee. And this is a Folgers. My wife got a jug of Folgers on her last night shift last night. So she's done that. Thank God. Now she's on holidays. So the house is nice and quiet in the morning. Check this out. Holy Dinah. How am I supposed to lift that? She got this at Costco. Look, it's one of those big ones. International Delights that we like. That's crazy. I gotta open it. So I'll have to set the phone down. Hold on. Let's see if we can set you down there and open this up. Oh, it's already open. Okay, that's good. That's perfect. Let's see what this tastes like. But you gotta hold it with 2 hands, I think. All right, let's get it in here. I do have a word study for you today. Once I'm done all this, I just bring you along while I make my coffee. So yeah, it's nice that she's on holidays for a week. And she's done with that night shift. I am so happy. She's home in the evenings now again, which is great. So we got our friend Little Jersey right here. He sits here in my office. So, and I'll set you down here. What is the word of today? Oh, it's a good one. Evident. And there's your Greek. I like the concordant definition. Made palpably true. So, as clear as day. When you think of something that's in the scriptures that is just so literal and so clear, how can you refuse it? But some people do. They have to have their own little human runaround with it. So, or their human reasoning to try to figure it out, I guess, when it's as clear as day and evident. But let's see what the concordant scripture says about this word. 1 Corinthians 15:27. This is a good one here. For he subjects all under his feet. So Christ subjects all under his Father's feet. So he gives up the kingdom to his God and Father. Now, whenever Christ, may be saying that all is subject, it is evident that is outside of him who subjects all to him. So you have to understand that passage there. You know, that can be a tongue twister. Galatians 3:11. Now that in law no one is being justified with God is evident. For the just one by faith shall be living. 1 Timothy 6:7. For nothing do we carry into this world, and it is evident that neither can we carry anything out. 1 Corinthians 1:11. For it was made evident to me concerning you, my brethren, by those of Chloe, that there are strifes among you. Colossians 1:8. Who makes evident also to us your love in spirit. And 1 Corinthians 3:13. Each one's work will become apparent. And this is speaking of the deus of Christ. Good copy. For the day will make it evident, for it will be revealed by fire. And the fire, it will be testing each one's work, what kind it is.